How to download credit report from ClearScore. If you would like to download your credit report from ClearScore, open your browser and go to app.clearscore.com. Once you go to app.clearscore.com, you want to log into your ClearScore account. From here, what you have to do is once you have your credit score and you want to export or download it, click on your account option from the top right, which is your like profile icon. From there, you'll find this option called My Account. You want to simply go to My Account, which will take you to the My Account page. Here, you want to simply select Request Data under the Data option. Now, in my case, I do not have any credit history. That's why you're seeing this option. But if you do have credit history, then you can also go to the Reports tab and view all of your credit history, and you'll be able to download them, including your credit score. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.